The first thing I will be doing is using a base coat. Now with Kalahari's Kiss by China Glaze, I'm going to paint 2 coats on my middle finger. And with Black Cream by Wet n Wild, I'm going to do that on the rest of my nails. Now with acrylic paints, I'm going to use 2 different shades of brown, a blue, and a coral color, or a pink, and a black. I'm going to paint Grumpy Cat's face on the nail I painted with the light brown, and I'm going to paint his nose just so I have a frame of reference for the rest of his face. I'm going to put this in fast forward because it did take me about 10 minutes to do this. Here I just outlined his eyes in black, and I'm going to put his pupils in so he doesn't look so creepy. I'm going to blend in the 2 shades of brown here. And now with the Crackle Nail Polish by China Glaze, I'm using tarnished gold. I'm going to do that on every nail that I painted black. In a light brown acrylic paint, I'm going to write the word no on my middle finger. I'm doing this on a diagonal, but you can just do it straight if you want. And for the rest of my nails, I'm going to do a paw. Now with the top coat of your choice, seal up your design to protect it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe if you haven't. If you missed my last video, I did some kawaii acorn nails, and I also did some brown animal print nails that you could do for fall. And don't forget to check out my new blog.